Hey my YouTube friends, allenpallen here. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair yet again, because I did not learn the first time. I am going to start out by trying to remove the blue that is already in my hair, and if for some reason I am not left with a beautiful blonde color, I guess we can try another fashion color. To start off the process, I'm going to try the developer and baking soda method. I will be using a 30 volume developer because I don't play. I'm going to add in a little soap. Next, I'm going to massage this onto my hair. It's really foamy and it's burning all my cuts. Wow. I'm gonna let this sit on my head for about 15 or 20 minutes and I'll be right back. As you guys can see, the color has not lifted very well, so I'm gonna wash this out and we're gonna move on to bleach. I do not think one round is going to be enough, so I'm actually going to divide this packet into 2 portions, and I'm going to mix it with my own developer. I am not about that splat developer. I've never been good at measuring. I'm going to be going back in with my 30 volume developer, because I'm all about that risky business. Well, I guess we're throwing this shirt away. When I was growing up, I cannot tell you how many shirts I ruined while dyeing my hair, that and my floor. Okay, now that it is thoroughly mixed, let's apply it to my head. Who needs a mirror when you have a viewfinder? Not me. Damn, I wish I had a little more. I'm trying to go as quickly as possible. Some of my hair is bone dry. Can you hear it? It's starting to bubble. My scalp is on 10. Now that the product is even as possible, I'm gonna put a bag over it and we can let it process. Don't mind if I do. I'll see you in 20. As you all can hopefully see, my scalp is now severely burned, as are my hands. Oh my freaking goodness. I look like a fool. I'll let you guys take a peek at the back. I'm gonna let this sit on my head for a few more minutes. Hopefully, if I bleach it one more time, I can get the roots to be a nice blonde color. Since this is definitely not what I'm going for, I'm gonna bleach it again. I'm very sad to say that I am limited on supplies, so we're gonna have to get creative. Since I don't think it's quite enough developer, I'm gonna try using a little bit of the splat developer as well. I really don't even know if you can mix liquid developer with cream developer, but we're gonna give it a shot. Thankfully, I was able to save myself one pair of gloves. I'm gonna use them now because my hands already hurt. I'm running kind of low. Just like before, I'm going to throw a bag on it and I'll be right back.
Is it done yet? 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 I just got in from letting my dogs out. Today would be the day that everyone would drive by. My chest in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made her roll it plain like a landing strip.
I could probably get over the fact that my hair is still blue. It's very light, almost kind of gray. What I cannot get over is the fact that my roots are so yellow. Not ideal. I'm gonna take some of my liquid developer and mix it with a toner. It burns. It burns. I'm gonna let this sit on my head for about 10 minutes and then I'm done. It is now the following day. Aside from washing it with a purple shampoo, the only thing I've really done with my hair is use jojoba oil. Thank goodness for this. My hair is very dry and very damaged. As you can see, the tips are still a blue-gray color, and the roots are kind of yellow. Hopefully within the next week or so, I can get it cut, maybe do like a bleach bath on it or tone it once more, but I think I can work with it. I definitely want to do another fun color here soon in the future. I was even thinking about doing a split dye situation. So if any of you have any recommendations, please leave those down below. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!